So we're here at Butlins Bognor Regis for their Christmas break. It's a term time break and we are in the Ocean Hotel on floor 3, room 21 or room 321. As with every trip we do here, it's time for a room tour to see what you get. Now this room only, cost us about £78 for a Monday to Friday break for 2 adults and 2 children. And the internet says this is a 4-star hotel. So with that in mind, let's see what you get. Starting here with the kids' room, here we see Lila on her bed. We have 2 single beds, so if you've got 2 children like we do, this is the perfect area for them. They're watching Miraculous Ladybug on CBBS or CBBC at the moment. They have a TV, there's power outlets down here. It's all good. I mean, it's not a massive space, but if you think about what we paid for the room, that's just for what the kids have. Heading down this long corridor, we'll go next to the bathroom then. Here in the bathroom, we have a very large bathtub with splash wall, toilet, a large sink. Coming through then to the main room where we find Mummy and Dexter. Lying here on what is our double bed with mood lighting. We do like a bit of mood lighting, don't we, babe? Oh, look at that. And with the lights off and just the mood lighting, it's very red. We have a Cello or Cello brand TV, not sure if it's any good. And then a large open space. Now, because we are right in the middle of the building, we opted for a room with an extra sofa bed. So there is a pull-out sofa bed in there if you want it, but it costs us like £3 extra for the room, for having a bigger room with more space. Look, we've got more space. Plenty of space to do activities if you want to do them. I don't know what activities. Plenty of storage, of course. And something you don't see in cheap hotels. We have a refrigerator, and it works. I'll tell you what is a little bit concerning though. The router is under here and it's sort of hanging on by a thread. That wasn't us. The room came like this. Tea and coffee making facilities with all of your usual accoutrements. We have Nescafe Original, not Gold Blend. They're too cheap to do Gold Blend. We have Nescafe Decaf, some PG Tips tea bags back there, and then some white and Demerara sugar, and some UHT milk, which my wife here, you won't be drinking that, will you? What will you be getting? Actual milk from the shop? There is a shop here, a supermarket. No, this year we are devoid of biscuits. And then out here we have the balcony, and because we're right in the middle of the building, we've got this wonderful view of the entire resort and that brand new Play Experience building there right in front of us. So this is our room for the next 4 nights here at Butlins. Less than £80, so less than £20 a night for 4 people to stay in here. Less than £5 per person per night if you're going to come room only for this. We haven't done a room only break, we've done a half board break, so we've included food, and we are dining this week in the Deck restaurant. And we'll let you know what that's like and what this entire Christmas break is like in some upcoming videos. And just as an aside, housekeeping do only come twice a week, on a Wednesday and a Thursday. And you can put a do not disturb sign on if you wish. Other than that, it's warm, it's comfortable, the heating works. I'm not sure if the internet works, the TVs appear to be working. So please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and as we always say, thank you for watching this one. We will speak to you again in the next one. Bye for now.